So you've got this classic Italian game, Tombola. It's beloved, it's chaotic, it's a tradition. But what happens when you try to bring it into the modern age? In this explainer, we're going to look at how a little bit of clever code can solve some of those classic old school problems without losing any of the charm that makes the game so special.
So if you've ever played Tombola, you know the scene I'm talking about. It's that wonderful, loud, beautiful mess of family and friends all huddled around a table, just waiting for that next number to be called. It's pure joy, right? But it's also a little bit of chaos. Yeah, I mean, you've got the big board out, the cards are scattered all over the place, and everyone's leaning in, trying to hear what number gets called next. It's that chaos that's so much fun, because really, it's the connection with everyone in the room that makes the game what it is. But let's be honest, you also remember this, right? The little wooden number chips rolling off the table, the frantic search under the couch for number 42 that someone knocked over, and oh man, the beans. The beans used as markers that just get everywhere. All that physical stuff can be, well, a bit of a hassle.
Okay, so this is where a fantastic little web app called Tombola Offline steps in. The whole idea behind it is to give you all of that fun, all of that social connection, but without any of the mess, none of the fuss.
And when you see it side by side, the difference is, wow, it's striking. The old way, you had this whole box of stuff to manage, to keep track of, to not lose. The new way, it's all right there, streamlined onto the device that's already in your pocket. It's just a clean, simple solution. So what exactly is this thing? Well, here's what makes it so cool. It's a free web app, and it's specifically designed for in-person play. It literally replaces every single physical part of the game. But, and this is the really brilliant part, it doesn't need any internet connection between the devices to work. Oh, and as a bonus, it's open source on GitHub, so anybody can use it. It's for everyone. Okay, so let's dive into how this actually works. There are basically two roles in the app. We're going to start with the conductor. The person who's in charge, the one calling out the numbers. For the conductor, getting a game started is, well, it's pretty much instant. Seriously. You just select board mode and bam, you see this big draw number button. You tap it once and you're off. That's it. It's really that easy. And when you do draw a number, this is what pops up. It's huge. A big, clear font right in the middle of the screen. There is absolutely no way anyone's going to be confused about what number was just called. So this is basically the conductor's command center. Everything you could possibly need is right here. You've got that huge current number, a scrolling history of all the numbers you've already called, which is great for settling arguments, by the way, and a full grid of all 90 numbers. But you know what my favorite little detail is? Look at what's not there. There's no reset button. And that's on purpose. It's a really smart choice to prevent any of those game-ending accidents. Okay, so that's the conductor. Let's switch gears now and look at the other side of the game, the player's experience. And this, I think, is where the app's simplicity really, really shines. So as a player, all you have to do is select card mode, and the app just instantly generates a card for you. And it's not just some random grid of numbers either. Nope. Each card is unique, and it actually follows all the traditional rules of Tombola, with the numbers all properly ordered in each row. The actual playing part is so simple, and honestly, kind of satisfying. You hear the conductor call out a number, you look down, find it on your card, and you just give it a little tap. And poof, a little virtual red bean appears, marking your spot. No more fumbling around with actual beans or markers. And here's another really great feature. The app actually keeps track of your progress for you. So as you mark off numbers in a row, it automatically updates this little label to show if you've hit an ombo for 2 numbers, or a terno for 3, and so on, all the way up to a cinquina for 5. You don't have to second guess yourself anymore. And then, of course, there's the grand prize. The moment you've marked all 15 numbers on your card, the app rewards you with this huge celebratory Tombola banner. It's just the perfect digital payoff for a big win. Okay, so we've seen how it all works. But, it's just as important to understand why it was designed this way, because this, right here, gets to the very heart of what makes this little app so special. This quote from the developer really says it all. The fact that there's no internet connection between the devices, well, that's not a bug. It's not a missing feature. It is the whole point. By design, the app makes you coordinate verbally. You have to listen, you have to talk to each other, you have to engage. It preserves the social core of the game. It's like Think of the technology here as a silent partner. It's doing all the boring, tedious work in the background, shuffling the numbers, making the cards, tracking the rows, so that you and your friends can just focus on what actually matters: the fun, the laughter, and the connection. So, what's the big takeaway here? It's pretty simple. The app is smart because it handles all the tedious logic for you. It's intentionally social because it makes you talk to each other. And because it's a totally free passion project, it's really just a gift to the game itself. It is the perfect blend of old school tradition and new school technology.
And that leaves us with his final thought. This whole project is just a great reminder that sometimes the absolute best use of technology isn't about connecting us digitally at all. It's about removing the little annoyances, the little frictions that get in the way of us connecting with each other in the real world.